Guruji, the former Chief Minister Vijay Rupani's lucky number was 1206, and surprisingly, he died on 12th of June. That is also 1206. Guruji, is this just a coincidence or had the universe already written this script in advance?
Without doubt, 1206 had been the lucky number of ex-Chief Minister of Gujarat, Mr. Vijay Rupani. I have been told that his vehicles and his other important belongings bear number 1206. I was told that even the seat number of his plane was also 12. And he died also on 12/6. So all these coincidences lead us to the belief that something mysterious is interwoven into our life and into the events of our life. Consequently, we feel forced to think on the lines as if the universe had already scripted everything that happened around Vijay Rupani. And likewise, we think that even in our lives, these numbers play a role. And everybody who is interested in numerology, by virtue of numerological calculations, people start thinking and following certain specific numbers to be their life numbers, fate numbers, lucky numbers, so on and so forth. Some people give spiritual significance and accordingly they start following this thing or that thing.
Yes.
But to the best of my experience, I know on scientific grounds these things have no relevance at all. Since there happens to be no scientific evidence to such things, it simply depends on your own belief as to whether these things happen or not. Everybody is free to accept or reject it. What I personally feel that I would like to highlight on this point, I have come to experience this truth in life that you get what you think about or focus upon, whether you want it or you don't want it. Knowingly or unknowingly, if you start focusing on something, then that thing starts attracting towards you.
Yes, Guruji.
And that is what the law of attraction also says. So if you happen to accept that the specific number is your lucky number and wherever you go this number happens to come up, then because of your own focus on that number will start coming up into your life in several ways.
Yes.
So it is not the number which is following you, but your focus on that number that it is being attracted towards you. So if you don't focus on these numbers and live a life of freedom, then you will find better way to live and you will not be entangled into all such conclusions and calculations which unnecessarily disturb our minds. Thank you.